Hello all, in this tutorial we will be discussing about encoder. First and foremost, let me tell you about encoder is a combinational circuit that performs the exact reverse operation of the decoder. That is, in decoder, if you recall, you have n inputs to power n output, and for encoder we have 2 power n inputs and output. That is, if you place a mirror to the decoder, the output becomes the input and the input becomes the output. So you can act as the image for the decoder is considered to be encoder. That's why it performs a reverse operation. Next, enable signal is optional for encoder, that is optional. And for the purpose of encoder is, the main purpose of encoder is to increase the speed, accuracy, security or shrinking size for saving this space. As you can see, number of inputs are 2 to power n and the output is n. So in this format it will help for saving the space by shrinking the size. From 2 power n we are getting n bits of output. Now let me quickly draw a 4 to 2 encoder in order to explain you all. So what is 4 to 2 encoder implies? 4 to 2 means you have 4 number of inputs and 2 outputs. Say y3, y2, y1, y0 be my inputs, and say A and B are my outputs. So I am considering this to be my inputs and this to be my output. Similarly, in the block diagram I can represent as y3, y2, y1, y0 and let it be A and B. So what I will do is, y3 will be having 4 values. I will keep the same operation, just I will be providing input 1 for y0, then I will be providing for y1, then I will be providing for y2 and then I will be providing for y3. Rest all I will be making the input as 0. So the truth table would be something like this. Once the truth table is drawn, now if for this y0 to be 1, let the input be AB be 0 and 0. For 0 0 1 0, let the output be, as the output is for 1, so I will be writing it as 0 1. It is for 2, so I will be writing the output as 2, and for 3 the output will be 1 and 1. So this is 4 to 2 encoder representation. So as you can say, the output A is nothing but, if you see the output 1 and 1 are in this case, so I will be writing it as y3 plus y2, and for B the output is nothing but, you can see 0 1 0 1, 0 1 0 1 is for 1 over here and 1 is over here, so I will be writing it as y1 plus y3. So let me draw the circuit diagram for it. So the circuit diagram would be something like this. I'll be using OR gate, and the OR gate is for A it is y3 and y2 and y2, and for B it is y1, so y1 or with y3. So I'll be using y1 and y3. As y3 is the common input, so I'll just sort these two inputs. Y3 y2, this is my A and this is my B. So this is how we design the circuit diagram for 4 to 2 encoder. Hope this tutorial is clear to you all. Thank you.